back in the shed.
Pop, that doesn't work.
Don Ho. Where's that ukulele? You know, Rick took it.
So you ready? Okay, singing song to the Little Mermaid is Kylie Giovanoli.
Where are you?
Okay, let's go until any minute. I might start with you.
Don't be nervous.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cupboard hold? Looking around, he thinks, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's this and what's this galore. You want thingamabout? I've got plenty, but who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down that, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wonder and free, wish I could be part of that world. But what would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land they'd understand that they don't represent their daughters, but young women sick to swimming, ready to stay. I may know what the people know, ask my questions and give some answers. What's a fire and how does it? What's the word for? When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore of love out of the sea? Wish I could be part of that world.
Give her some money.
And next, Neil Montgomery is going to sing Tiny Bubbles.
I need a couple more glasses of wine.
Riley, you're so cute. I took a really funny picture.